Hello students, today we have to do the fourth experiment, that is to design and study of multiplexer and demultiplexer using IC. So let's start our fourth experiment. What we have in this, we have to design the multiplexer as well as demultiplexer using IC, that is basic logic gates we have to design. What is multiplexer? Multiplexer is a many to one, that is we have many input lines, data lines, we have only one output data lines, and to select any of these input lines we have select lines, and the select line depends upon the number of input data lines we have. For example, in this we have 4 cross 1, that is 4 input lines, and to select one of these input lines we required, that is 2 की power n, and that should be equal to that is 4. So it means we required 2 select lines to select the data input lines. In this circuit we have 4 inputs and we have 1 output and 2 select lines. So this is the example of 4 cross 1, and this is what we are going to design in our Java breadboard simulator. So to design this, what we required? We require 4 inputs, that is we will take as a switch. Similarly we required 2 select lines, and along with this we have to make complement of this, that is we required a inverter, and we have to add all this input and you can see select lines, and for this what we required a 3 input AND gates, and total 4 AND gates we required. Similarly, output of these AND gates we need to add all this using a OR gate. So for this we required 4 input OR gate. But as you have already seen, in Java breadboard we don't have a 4 input OR gate, but we have a 3 input AND gates. So to design a 4 input OR gate, what we can do, we can use the simple 2 input OR gate. See, for example, we have to design this A, B, C and this, that is 4 input OR gate. How we what output should we get? That is A plus B plus C plus D. Similarly, how we can design this using our 2 input OR gate? What we can do, that is A plus B we will provide here, and what should we get as output? That is A plus B. Similarly, if we provide this C and D as to another OR gate, we get an output of C plus D. We can feed this to our another OR gate, and what output we should get? That is A plus B plus C plus D. Likewise, we can design our 4 input OR gate. So this way we can design using our IC, that is 2 input IC we have already have. That I have already made this 4 cross. This is there in our Java multiplexer, so that I can easily explain. We can use our another IC that we already have for a AND gate, that is we already have 3 input and positive and AND gate IC is there. So let's go to our Java breadboard and design this 4 cross 1 multiplexer. For this, what we have to do, we have to open our Java breadboard simulator, and in this what I will do, and it will not take much of your time. See what we have in this. I have taken 4 inputs, that is as a switch. We can provide as a 0 or 1 according to our requirements. Similarly, I have taken as a 2 select lines as a 2 switch. And for inverting this output, see in the circuit what we have to provide as a directly as a S1, and we have to provide complement of S1. Similarly, we have to provide complement of S0. How we can design do this? We can design using this our 7404, that is NOT gate IC. Similarly, in this this is C 7411, this is the 3 input AND gates, and we total required, that is 4 AND gates we required. And if you see this in one IC, what we have, that is 1, 2 and 3. But in one IC we have only 3 AND gates, 3 input, 3 AND gates. So for this we required a 2 IC, And for the output, see, we have to add all this output of this AND gates. So for this we required a, you can say, 4 input OR gate. And how we can design this? We can design this using our 2 input OR gate. See, here we don't have a 4 input OR gate. We can design this using 2 input OR gate. So I have made connection according to this. And output of this, see, output of this, you can see, that is the data output pins. It is, I have shown across LED. So this is the simple 4x1 multiplexer using our basic logic gates. So to run this multiplexer, what we have to do, we have to go to the simulation and click on the run. See, after clicking on this, we have to select this select lines. Here what we have, that is S0 and this is S1. Similarly, what we have here, Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3, or we can say input lines, that is I0, I1, I2 and I3. Here what we have selected, 0 0. It means whatever data we will give, it will take from the Y0. That is, if we make it a 1, so LED should glow. Otherwise, if we make any of this, you can see other LED on, it will not, this LED will not glow, because what we have selected, we have selected 0 0. Similarly, if we select 1 0, that is 1 and 0, it means it should be, that is 1. It means if we provide this input as a, here, that is Y1, LED should glow. Similarly, if we give, if we select line as 1 1, so any input or any data given to this Y3, the LED should be glow, otherwise LED should be off. If we make this one, otherwise it will not glow. So likewise we can design this multiplexer. Similarly, we can design our demultiplexer. See, in demultiplexer what we have, in demultiplexer we have one input lines, that is data lines, and we have multiple output lines. And to give to select one of these output data lines, what we have select lines S0 and S1. So how we can design this demultiplexer in our Java breadboard? See, for designing this, what I have done, I have made the 2 select lines, that is S1 and S0. Similarly, for data pins, I have given this as a single switch. Here, single switch. And along with this, what we required a NOT gate for making this complement of this, you can select lines. Similarly, we required a 3 input AND gates. So we can design this using our 7411 IC. So I have made a simple connection according to the circuit diagrams. So to run this, what we have to do, we have to click on this simulation and click on run. So what we have to do, we have to provide the data pins as high, and we have to select which data pins we want to show. Here we have selected line 0 0. It means that is Y0. Similarly, if I make it 1, it's that is Y1, LED should glow. Similarly, if I make it 1 0, that Y2 LED should glow. Similarly, if I make it 1 1, that Y3 LED will be glow. So likewise, you can design the demultiplex using the basic logic gates. So in this examples, I have shown how you can design 4x1 and 1x4 multiplexer and demultiplexer using the basic ICs, basic logic gates. How you can design this. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.